Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope are you all hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to my online class. The students of class A of Kholiramon Girls High School. Now I will give you. I will teach you. English first paper, English for today, Unit 9, Lesson 6B. Okay. So let's start reading. Communication. Our today's topic's name is communication. Communication means jogajog. Okay. Communication of ideas is at center of civilization. It needs written records. Most of our records in the modern age are on paper. Though writing was invented very early, paper is more modern invention. For long in history, people exchanged ideas through speaking and listening. Then there came the art of writing, but to record thoughts in writing was difficult. Writing materials were not available. People used the surface of stone, metal, wood, bark, leaves, etc. for writing. Those things were not easy to carry. Then, for ages, people looked for easy writing materials. Finally, paper was invented in China in 105 AD. Before the paper age, knowledge was very restricted. Can you think of that time? There were very few books in the world. Maybe they were written on stone or on heavy word planks or on metal sheets. Suppose one page was a heavy stone block. So think of a 100-page book. In our age, you can carry the entire world of knowledge in digital form in your laptop bag. You can even carry a huge volume of paper encyclopedia. But who could produce and carry tons of heavy stones book and documents in those paperless days? In fact, paper has made publication and the spread of knowledge and information easy. So you can see how paper has changed our life. Okay, I complete my reading and now I will give you some vocabulary from this passage. Okay, now you look very carefully. I give you some vocabulary from this passage, and the vocabulary first word of this passage, communication. The spelling of communication is COMMUNICATION. Communication means jogajog. Jogajog. The Bangla meaning of communication is jogajog, and the synonym of the word is contact. CONTACT. Okay, everyone note down in your khata. Our first word is communication, and the Bangla meaning of communication is jogajog, and its synonym words is contact. Okay, now I am going to number 2. The word is restricted. The restricted means shimabodho. The Bangla word restricted means shimabodho. The spelling of restricted is RESTRICTED. Restricted. Restricted means shimabodho, and the synonym word of restricted is confined. 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 Okay. I hope you are writing. And I am going to number 3. The word is metal. metal, metal. Metal means dhatu. The Bangla word of metal is dhatu. Okay. The synonym of word of metal is metallic. metallic, metallic. Okay. I hope you are writing in your khata. Then I am going to number 4 and the word is knowledge. 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 Knowledge means gyan. The Bangla meaning of knowledge is gyan. And the synonym word of this word is perception. Perception means PERCEPTION. Perception. Okay. Then I am going to the last word is information. Information spelling word is INFORMATION. Information. Information, the Bangla meaning of information is সংবাদ বা তথ্য. Okay, and the synonym word of information is details. 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 Please everyone note down in your khata. Okay, now I am going to number 1. I hope you have finished your writing, and I am going to number 1 question. Name of question is fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps. I give you some gaps, and you have to put the appropriate word of this sentence. Okay. Everyone note down in your khata. Though writing was invented very early. I repeat it again. Though writing was invented very early, paper is a more dash invention. Okay. Hope you are writing. I repeat it again. Though writing was invented very early, paper is a more dash invention. Do you know what the appropriate of word of this sentence? What is gap? What is the appropriate word of this gap? Though writing was invented very early, paper is a more dash invention. And the appropriate word is recent invention. Okay. I will help you. The first answer is recent. Though writing was invented very early, paper is a more recent invention. Our first answer is recent. RECENT. Recent invention. Okay. I am going to number B. The invention of paper has made our life dash. I repeat it again. The invention of paper has made our life dash. Do you know the word? Do you know the appropriate word of this gap? Okay, now I will help you. It is easy. Okay, the word is easy. The invention of paper has made our life easy. Okay. Now I am going to number 3. In the past, knowledge was very dash. I repeat it again. In the past, knowledge was very dash. And the appropriate word is limited. Limited. In the past, knowledge was very limited. Okay. I am going to number 4. In the present age, ideas are written on dash. I repeat it again. In the present age, ideas are written on dash. I will help you to give the answer. It is paper. It is paper. Okay. In the present days, ideas are written on paper. Now I am going to the last question. Number 5. Paper was invented by the dash. Paper was invented by the dash. I will give you the answer. The appropriate was is Chinese. Okay, the appropriate was is Chinese. Okay, I repeat it, you fill in the gaps again. Our first question is, though writing was invented very early, paper is more dash invention, and our appropriate answer is recent. R-E-C-E-N-T, recent. Okay, now I am going to the number 2. Question number 2. The invention of paper has made our life dash. And the correct answer is easy. And the spelling of the word is E-A-S-Y, easy. Okay. Now I am going to number 3. In the past, knowledge was very dash. In the past, knowledge was very dash. And the answer is limited. L-I-M-I-T-E-D, limited. And the fourth number question is, in the present days, ideas are written on dash. And the answer is paper. P-A-P-E-R, paper. And the final question is, paper was invented by the dash. Paper was invented by the dash. And the answer is Chinese. C-H-I-N-E-S-E, Chinese. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have completed your writings. And now I am going to number 3, the question of answer the following questions. Okay, I hope you are writing, and I have give you some question. Our first question is, why was it difficult to record thoughts in writing in the past? I repeat it again. The question is, why was it difficult to record thoughts in writing in the past? Okay. And I am going to the question number 2 is, what did people use for writing before paperage? I repeat it again. What did people use for writing before paperage? And now the third question is, why did people look for easy writing materials? Okay? Why did people look for easy writing materials? And now I give you the answer. I hope you have completed your writings. And now I give you the answer of this question. Our first question is, why was it difficult to record thoughts in writing in the past? And the answer is, because in the past there were no easy writing materials. Okay, I repeat the answer again. Because in the past there are no easy writing materials. I hope you are writing. Okay, now I am going to the question number 2. What did people use for writing before paperage? I repeat it again. What did people use for writing before paperage? And the answer is, before paperage, people used surface of stone, metal, wood, etc. for writing. Okay, I repeat the answer again of number 2. Before paperage, people used surface of stone, metal, wood, etc. for writing. Stone means পাথর, metal means ধাতব বস্তু, wood মানে কাঠ. Okay. So people, the before of paper is people used surface of stone, metal, wood, etc. for writing. Okay. Now I am going to number 3. The question is, why did people look for easy writing materials? Why did people look for easy writing materials? And our answer is, people look for easy writing materials so that they could be carried easily. Okay, I repeat the last question's answer again. People looked for easy writing materials. People look for easy writing materials so that they could be carried easily. যাতে সহজে এটা বহন করা যায়. They could be carried easily. সহজেই বহন করা যায়. Okay, my dear student, I hope you completed your writing. I hope it helps you in your home for JSC examination, and this process is very important for JSC examination. So I hope you completed your task at home. Okay, goodbye. Take care.